The quantity q varies directly as the cube of x and inversely as the square root of z if w is equal to 16, x is equal to 2, and z is equal to 9. Find the value of z when x is equal to 3 and q is equal to 18. So this question is about variations, okay? Variations. We have direct variation, inverse variation, partial variation, like that. So they're saying that quantity q, sorry that I started solving. So quantity q varies. So this is a sign for variation. Varies directly as the cube of x. So when you say cube, that is power 3, and when you say square, that is the power 2. So this is cube of x. That means the x to the power 3. And inversely, so and inversely as the square root of z. Square root. Okay, so the sign for square root is this one. Mathematically, this is the sign of square root. Z. Now, first of all, we have to formulate something like a formula for this variation. We call it the formula for a formula variation. So, if we can change this variation and put equal to sign, we introduce a constant, and this constant will multiply cube of x over square root of z. This is the same as the q is equal to k cube of x over z, square root of z. So this is our formula variation. Q is equal to k cube of x over square root of z. Now the question is, if w is 16, okay, so I think this question has a mistake. Yeah, so you can see that we have q, x, and what, and z, okay, of which in this case there is w, x, and z. I don't know if you are aware of that. Here we have been given q, x, z, but here we are given w, x, z. That means where there is w, we have to put q. So that should be q is equal to 16. So they are saying that if q is equal to 16, so substitute the values of given variables. Okay, so q, they're saying that is 16 here. So where there is a q, we remove and put 16 is equal to, we have a constant, and we have cube of x. So our x here is 2, and that 2 is to the power 3. And the square root of z, our z, we are given that z is 9. Okay, now cross multiply. Okay, 16 multiplies with this one, which is 16 root of 9, square root of 9 is equal to, you can multiply this 2 multiplied by 2, and you get what? 8k, yeah? Okay. And the square root of 9, you get 3. Okay. 6 multiplied by 3, 18. 1 multiplied by 3, 3, plus 1, 4, is equal to 8k. You divide with 8 so that you find the value of k. And 8 into 48 is 6. Therefore, k is equal to 6. That means now our formula variation will now be q is equal to 6 cube of x over square root of z. Now that will be our formula variation. Now we have been given a question saying that find the value of z when x is equal to 3 and the q is equal to 18. So we are going to use this one. We have to find the value of z when q is equal to 18 and when x is equal to 3. So we have 3 to the power 3, and we have to find the value of this z here. Cross multiply, you have 18 square root of z is equal to 3 by 3, which is 9. 9 times 3, which is 27. Okay, 27 multiplied by 6. 27 multiplied by 6. 27. Oh, sorry. Oh. Okay, 27. We're saying that 27 multiplied by 3. Sorry, multiplied by 6, not 3. But 27 multiplied by 6 is 162. 162. Then we have to divide it with the 18. And here it's 1. And 18 into 16, this is 162 divided by 18, it will be 9. So 18 divided by 162, it will be 9. Square root of z is equal to 9. If we remove this square to this side, that means we have to introduce a square. So this one cancels with this, and z is equal to 81. So the value of z is 81. This is our answer.